Videos on. Good morning, all of you in uniform. I have to click pick and send to principal.
Good morning, ma'am. I will start from tomorrow because I forgot it.
Bad.
I'll start it from tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am, I have internet connection in my area, so I can't switch on my video.
Ma'am, exactly same with me. If I switch on my video, I got disconnected. Last day also I got disconnected by switching on my video.
Okay. I can see 24 children right now. Hurry up, children, hurry up. Need to be faster to start class. 5 to 7 minutes goes in taking attendance only. Prachi. Hurry up, children, hurry up.
11.
Hurry up. I can see 27 children. I can see only 27 children. So Arna, Abir, Basim, Chirag, Deepika, Himnish, Madhav, Nikunj. Nikunj is here? No, Nikunj.
No,
Rachit, Riya Sharma, Safira, Tavleen, Vansh is here. Very good. These students are missing. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Manas is here. Manas Chawla.
No, ma'am.
Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 13 are not here. Manas is entering now. Manas also has some network issue most of the time.
Ma'am, I am also there.
Prachi, I have marked you present. As soon as I make you enter in the class, I mark
Ma'am, Manish is also present.
Anish, so I see you yesterday. I told you you're not in school uniform. Anish, why are you not in school uniform?
Ma'am, I forgot it for today.
Ronit, why not in school uniform?
Ma'am, I don't get the message.
You don't get the message. It was the message was given in class group only. You're not in class group.
Ma'am, I am in class group.
Then Soham, Pranay, Dharansh, Prachi, Manthan, Rupam, Vanshika.
That I can't switch on the video. I have an internet
Okay,
connection
Sarthak Jain, Kashmi Kedia, Ridya Sethi, Raisa, all the children are not in uniform, it means. I have to give this record to class teacher also.
School uniform.
Ma'am, I am in school uniform.
I know some of you are in uniform, others are not. That's what I am saying.
Ma'am, from tomorrow I'll start wearing it.
Okay, children. So last day I did. Madhav has also joined. Madhav, he is also absent. He most of the time he's absent also. Madhav, Akshat joined once. I think he got disconnected. Chirag is joining now. Children, please be on time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji.
Ma'am, is there any off tomorrow? Because
This is second Saturday.
Yeah, we repeat.
ma'am, I'm saying that is tomorrow any off because tomorrow is second Saturday.
You'll come to know. I think it is off.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
I'll
you.
send the message otherwise.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, let me start the class. Yes, in last time I did till question number 7. Before the class, before the test, we were on the exercise 2.2, question number 7. Were you all able to do complete question number 7? If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand. I'll do the questions again. Some of you asked me to do the questions again. Nehal asked me to do the question again. I'm doing question number 7. Which part I did last time? Which part I did last time? Nikunj and Parlina.
Second part.
Nikunj. I did second part. I'll do first part also for you then. I will do first part also. I have to adjust my camera. Just bear with it. I'll just for a second.
इंटेंसी की डायरी में सारी
Children, are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You all are able to see the board? You all
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
audios off?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Audios off?
Yes.
I put the audios off. Now, I'm going to start with question number 7 of exercise 2.2. Question number 7. Nehal asked me the first question was also a problem for her, so I'm doing first part also. Question says find half of 2 3 by 4 and 4 2 by 9. 4 2 by 9. So the first part says half of 2 3 by 4. What will happen? First and foremost, we are going to change this mixed form into improper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. I get 11 upon 8. And I'm going to express the answer in mixed form. Let me do the second part, then I'll ask you people in case anybody has any query. Or somebody from your side will tell me what is 4 2 by 9? What is 4 2 by 9? Rachit is entering now. How can class continue after 15 minutes? I have to make the children enter. Let me ask few of you. Jagnoor, what is 4 2 by 9?
Ma'am, 38.
9 was 36, 38. Only 38?
38 by 9.
38 by 9. Yes. 2 ones are 2 19s are. This is important here. This is very important here to cut 38 with 2. We get 19 upon 9. Yes. Hanji, Kashvi, bolo beta.
Ma'am, then the answer would be 2 1 by 9.
2 1 by 9. Very good. Yes, children. Put your audio off once you have answered, please. Hurry up. Chirag, you have joined late. Pratik, you have joined late. Hurriedly, please note down the question. Note down the solution. Rachit, Anji, where is Rachit? Anji, Rachit, बोलो.
मैम ये आपने सबसे पहला काम करा है, मतलब जब से आप
First work है, you joined late. This is the first work.
मैम वो मेरा इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा था ना, तो मैम आई वाज नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट.
Okay.
सॉरी.
Please note down. Otherwise, I will also send this. Just note down. Yes. Nehal. Anji, have you understood? Very good. Manas. Anji, any problem?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that we had done this in the last class.
You done it in nahi. I did second part. Some children had a problem in first part also, so I did first part for them. I did second part.
Ma'am, but I did it as a homework. Ma'am, I did it as a
children had
homework.
problem, so I am doing it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll start with question number 8. Berlin is again asking for entry. Manas, put your hand down if your query is solved.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishtha, bolo beta. Nishtha, any query? I'm not able to hear you. You're unmuted, but I'm not able to hear you. Speak loudly if possible. I'm not able to hear you, beta. I'm not able to hear you. So we have to continue. There's no other option. I have to continue. Nishtha, put yourself on mute mode. I'm not able to hear you, beta. Yes, children? Should I move to the next part? Should I move to the next part? Nishtha, put your audio off, video, audio off, audio off. Why you are unmuted? Now let me do one word problem. Question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bag that contained 5 liters of water. Suppose this is a water bag. This is a water bag which contains 5 liters of petrol. 5 liters of water, sorry. 5 liters of water. This is the water bottle given by Vidya's mother. Now they are saying Vidya consumed 2/5 of it. 2/5 of it is consumed by Vidya. Vidya consumed 2/5 of 5 liters. 2/5 of the water. This of the water is important here. Of the water is important word here. That she has taken, she has drunk 2/5 of the whole water. Now, Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya consume? First part is how much water she did she consume? She consumed, you know that, 2/5 of the total. So water consumed by Vidya is 2/5 of 5 liters. Here the question was to be framed yourself. 2 by 5 of 5. That comes out 2 liters. So Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Then they are saying, what fraction, the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Here, we all know that water drunk by Pratap is 3 liters. But we don't have to find here the quantity of water. We have to find here fraction of water consumed by Pratap. Well, how do we find that? Fraction of water consumed by Pratap. Is 5 liters total tha. Fraction is 1. Fraction is always 1. Either you write 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5. You get 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 fraction of the total quantity of water is drunk by Pratap. You write the full statement. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Let me just show you this. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. I cannot read the chat in between, children. I can't read the chat in between. 3 by 5 of total quantity. 3 by 5 of the total quantity is drunk by Pratap. Is drunk by Pratap. Two by 5 of total quantity is drunk by Pratap. 2 by 5 of total quantity is drunk by Pratap. Three by 5 of the total quantity is drunk by Pratap, and 2 by 5 of total quantity is drunk by Vidya. Yahavi, हाँ जी यावी बोलो।
मैम मैं यही कह रही थी कि आप 2 by 5 प्रताप का बोल रहे थे, वो आपने भी बोल दिया 3 by 5
by प्रताप, 2 by 5 by विद्या। Now I am going to start with exercise 2.3. I am going to start with exercise 2.3. If children you have copied, note it down. Can I move to the next question? Yes, very good. 2.3. Question says, find 1 by 4 of. I'll do first part. Let me write the question for you. Find. Wait. Like this. Find 1 by 4 of. A part says 1 by 4. B part says 3 by 5. And C part says 4 by 3. Please understand the question. The question says we need to find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. This 1 by 4 is same for all the three parts. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Let's see how we have to proceed. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 16. Then 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Let me see how many of you can find it. And I'll ask from you people. Let me see how many of you can find it. Let me see how many of you can do it. Daksh, have you done the first B part?
Doing it, ma'am.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
1 by 4.
Raise your hand if anybody has done. Let me see who has done. Let me see. Yashna, bolo beta.
Ma'am, the answer of first part is 3 by 20.
B part.
Yes, ma'am.
B
3
part.
by 20.
B by
And
20.
B part the 3 by 20. And the answer of second part is 4 by 12.
Instead of 4 by 12, what we'll do is we'll cancel 4 and 4 will get 1 by 3. Okay? We have to express every answer in lowest form. This is the lowest form. Tavleen, Hanji, bolo beta. Tavleen.
Ma'am, first part is 1 by 16. And ma'am, then second part 3 by 20. And third part 4 by 12.
4 by 12, instead of 4 by 12, you would write 1 by 3, child. I told just now, Yashna.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done.
Very good, very good, very good. Now let's do, till now we will do one fraction, one is proper, another is mixed. Different type of question we are going to do. Let me do question number 2. Once you have done this, I'll do question number 2. Chapter is quite easy and a lot of practice questions are given in your NCERT. Please practice them hard.
Okay, any message kar. What the
Yourself without my suggestion. You should do it. Even many parents are asking for extra books. At least complete NCERT at this point of time. If you can go for example, it's well and good. Let me do question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. If possible means only in the case where it is possible. Like here it is not possible. It is not possible. This is already in lowest form. Like this. Perlin is again and again getting an internet issue. Now let me go for question number 2. Multiply. I will do few parts. First part I am doing 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 by 3. Here, somebody will tell me what should be our first step. Chirag, you are getting again and again getting internet issue.
Ma'am, yes.
बताओ क्या करेंगे first step?
Ma'am, first we will change the mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Very good. We'll change the mixed fraction into improper. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Now what do we get when we multiply 2 by 3 and 8 by 3?
16 by 9.
16 by 9. Then again the answer is to be either in lowest form, if possible, otherwise in mixed form. If it's already Lowest form, there's nothing common in between the two numbers. So, Himnish. Himnish was present in the morning. Himnish is also having some internet issue. Himnish joined late. Himnish joined just now. Hanji. What should we write here? Wait, let me see. Pranay, what should we write here?
Ma'am, 1/7/9.
1/7/9. Very good. Let me do a few more parts for you. Or I'll write few questions. Let me see how many of you can do. Let me write few more parts. 3/8 multiplied with 6/4. I'm writing 3-4 parts for you people. 2 parts for you people. You'll do it right now in front of me. Let me see how many of you are able to do. Let me see how many of you are able to do. 3/8 multiplied with 6/4. 3/8 multiplied with 6/4. Start doing, children. I'll ask from you people only. Yashna, bolo.
Ma'am, the answer of first is 9/16.
9/16. Let me cancel first.
Ma'am, yes, we have to cancel 8 and 6/2. The answer will be
4s are 2, 3s are. Yes, we get
ma'am 9/16.
9/16. Very good. And the
Ma'am, the answer of other is ma'am 5/8. First we will cut 3 and 15.
Okay, we will cut 3 and 15. And the answer is 5/8. Very good.
Ma'am.
Very good. Others also must have tried and they must have got the same answer, I believe. Let me check how many of you have got. Tavleen, have you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Vidya, have you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Sifat got the same answer. Vansh, Samija, did you try? Vansh, did you try?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try?
Yes.
Did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Anybody has any query in any of these parts? If anybody has any query in any of these parts, I'm here to solve. Manas. Anji Manas.
हम वो आंसर देने के लिए किया था हम लोअर पे
Okay. Answer is done now. Next question is also of the same type, but in the last you have to tell whether the answer you have got is proper fraction or improper. If it is improper, you have to convert it into mixed form. Only thing is you have to tell. Like suppose here I have to tell is improper, I have converted. It is proper, it is proper. Like this. Otherwise the question is exactly same. Only thing is after multiplying, you have to tell whether the answer you have got is mixed, improper or proper. If improper, convert in mixed. Let me do one part for you. Yeah, question number 3, first part. Children, I may send some extra questions also for you for weekend. Okay? I may also send you some extra questions for practice. Along with this NCERT, you will be practicing some extra questions also. Third question, first part. 2/5 multiplied with 5 1/4. First, somebody from your side will tell. What should be the first step? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Chirag? No.
Mama, I can't see the question.
Okay, wait. 2/5 multiplied by 5 1/4.
Mama,
Who are in waiting room? Shivam. Why is he joining with two gadgets? Yes, children. Somebody from your side will tell me. Pranay is raising his hand. Pranay, bolo.
Ma'am, 21/4 into 1/5.
2/5, beta. 2/5. 2/5 into 5 upon 21/4. Now 2 and
2 1s are 2, 2s are 4.
yes, 21/10.
21/10.
Now we have to. The only difference here is tell whether the fraction obtained is.
Ma'am, we have to convert it in mixed fraction, and ma'am, the answer would be 2 1/10.
Convert के साथ साथ हमको लिखना भी है. Give the result of this. Result obtained is improper fraction. Then we will convert. Only difference is this. Otherwise, the question was same. Now we will convert to 1/10. Am I clear, children? Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Children, I want to change the view. Once you have done, I have to change the view. When it is done, I will change the view.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, children, I am changing the view. Yes, children. Today we have finished with exercise 2.2 and started with exercise 2.3. So you all must complete 2.2, all the parts. I hope you must have completed in the last class, after our last class only. I'm trusting you people, and I'm expecting whatever work I am giving to you people. My children are doing it sincerely. I am assuming that every child of my class is doing all the work properly. Jamnoor is laughing. Am I not telling right? You all are doing the work seriously?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Till question number 3 also, 2.3 to be finished. Till question number 3. And
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Send some extra questions from worksheet. And those who can procure or from internet also you can download. I think I have also put the link in your Google Classroom of NCERT Exemplar. Please practice extra questions from there. Yavi, you're not able to. There's some internet issue at your place. Akshat, am I not audible?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Yavi has some internet. Yavi has some internet problem. Otherwise, I am speaking quite loudly, and my laptop is quite new. And I have seen the recordings also afterwards. I am quite audible. I also try to keep recordings for you if possible. if you are not, suppose in case you're not able to attend the class, at times you are busy somewhere or there's some network issue, you can refer those also. Okay? Some of you know it. Okay, children, goodbye. Did you like the class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You all
Productive class.
enjoyed, I saw. Yes, Nehal
Bye,
is
ma'am.
all the work. Very good, children. Very good. God bless you. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
ma'am.
God